Welcome friends to Sheetal's World of Recipes. Today we are going to make Greek recipe named Tzatziki sauce. It is made from Greek yogurt. If you don't have Greek yogurt, you can also take the plain yogurt and cucumber. Let's see the ingredients for Tzatziki sauce. We need 1 cucumber, also known as kakdi or khira, 1 cup plain thick Greek yogurt or plain yogurt. It is also known as curd or dahi. 3 tablespoon olive oil, 5 to 6 mint leaves. You can also add 1 teaspoon parsley or 1 teaspoon dill leaves, fresh or dry. 1 clove garlic, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, 2 teaspoon white vinegar. First, wash the cucumber and peel it. After peeling the cucumber, we will grate the cucumber. You can also use the food processor if you have. Now we will marinate the cucumber. Add half teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon white vinegar, and we will keep aside for half an hour to marinate. Now we will prepare garlic paste. For that, take 3 tablespoon olive oil and 1 clove of garlic and blend well to make a fine paste. After half an hour, we will remove excess water from the cucumber. For that, take a fine thin cloth, put the grated cucumber in it and remove the excess water. We need tzatziki sauce as a thick texture, so we need to remove excess water from the cucumber. Now take 1 cup of yogurt and add grated cucumber in it and mix. Now we will add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, salt as per your taste, as we have also added salt before while marinating, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, garlic paste, add finely chopped mint leaves and 1 teaspoon white vinegar. Mix everything well. Now cover it with the lid and refrigerate it for 2 hours. After 2 hours, you can serve with your favorite food. Friends, our Greek recipe tzatziki sauce is ready to serve with your favorite Mediterranean foods such as falafel, pita, dolmades, vegetables, and also you can serve with your favorite sandwiches, burgers. Enjoy tzatziki sauce and more recipes. Subscribe to my channel Sheetal's World of Recipes. Like and share, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for the new and delicious recipes. Thank you.